go. I've been everywhere, I've seen so many things. I've loved and I have lost, I felt the virus sting. I've died 100 times, but my heart is moving still. That is the journey that we're on. And to that starlit sky, we gaze and question why. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners. And so we go. So we go. We climb ever higher, strive to catch the moon. No fear of falling down, for later must be soon. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners. And so we go. We're all runners. Oh, and we're all runners. And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners. And so we go. So we go.
Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy I'm here. I haven't done a lot of painting. I've had puppy duty. And this girl is tired. This girl is wired. I feel like I drank 2 or 3 Red Bulls, but I just can't take a nap during the day. I just figured, you know what? I'll come on down here and get some painting on, which relaxes me so nice. So, good to see you guys. I'm excited. I am going to attempt a Dutch pour. Now, I've done 1 or 2 Dutch pours. There's some videos a while back. I'll try to post a link to them, but I've always blown them out with my mouth or with a straw and left lots of negative space, and I got yelled at. People told me that's not a Dutch pour, so I renamed it kind of like a Dutch pour. But today, I think if I get it right, I'm gonna do a Dutch pour. I got my handy dandy blow dryer here. I'm going to put it on the cool setting and on high. I got my handy dandy canvas here, which is a 12 by 24 Blick Premier stretch canvas. It's gallery wrapped. It's got a 2-inch depth here, and it's really a nice canvas. What you see here is not a mistake. That was a test run. Let me tell you what my plan is. I want gold over here, and I want to leave a lot of negative space, and then I want my colors to just kind of flow into it, leaving that negative space. And I have some gold here in my paint cup. Now, what this gold is, this is a mix of the metallic Rust-Oleum Soft Gold It was the last of it, so I went ahead and mixed up my paint and pouring medium in here. And I added to it some Sargents Art acrylics, and this is the Aztec Gold. So this came up with a really pretty hue of gold that is going to represent the gold to come here. Now, once I'm done, if this painting works out and it's totally dry, I'm coming in with my spray paint. And I am going to spray paint a more hammered look gold up here, and I'll probably feather it in to the Dutch pour area. So that's the plan. You won't see me do this. Maybe I'll videotape it, but I'm probably going to have to do it outside. And it's going to take a while for this baby to dry if we end up leaving it and not turning it into something we hadn't planned because it didn't work out. But if that's the case, that's no problem, guys. It happens. So let's talk about our colors. Our base coat is going to be that gold I just told you about, the Rust-Oleum, the Sargents Aztec Gold. This side over here is going to be our Artist Loft Black. And all my paints are mixed thinner than I usually use them. And I use thin paints. So what I did was I added water to all of my paints and my base coat colors. Let's talk about what our Dutch pour colors are going to be. In this yummy cup right here, I just love this color. It reminds me of Mysterious. Look at how thin that paint is. We've got about 1 part paint, 2.5 parts pouring medium, and water to thin it down. That right there is a combination of golden fluid acrylics turquoise with just a drop or two of black in it to deepen that up. That's what we've got going on right there. This yummy color right here, which I think I need to thin down just a little bit more, that is a step down from this. That is golden turquoise. And I added just a squirt of the DecoArt Peacock Pearl to this color, and that's yummy. That's absolutely yummy. This pretty color right here I found tucked away when I was looking to find some yellow yesterday because I don't paint with much yellow. This is DecoArt Americanas, and this is the Laguna, which I think is a pretty color. This guy right here, nice and yummy. See my consistency? It leaves almost no trace. Matter of fact, I think I might add just a little bit more water to these two right here. Excuse me. This guy right here is DecoArt Metallics Peacock Pearl. And then this color right here is very yummy. This is Pepeo, and this is the blue Vert Iridescent. These Pepeo paints are very nice. They've got some great colors. Now, I did add, to tone it down the scale a little bit, I did add some iridescent pearl in the high flow to this paint right here. So, we've got our Artist Loft Black on this side. We've got our gold paint on this side. We're going to blow this way up into the gold, and then when it's all dry, we're going to use our hammered gold spray paint in this upper corner to see how that works out, guys. So I'm going to put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me. It'll help keep me awake. And we're going to paint, guys. Glad you're here.
could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, make it worth your while. All the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you. And I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. In sunlight or in the night, I'll make